The creative symphony, exploring AI's role in art, music, and literature. AI has become a powerful ally in the realm of creativity, offering tools and technologies that enhance and even redefine traditional artistic processes. Here's an overview of AI's role in various creative domains. AI tools for creativity. Generative adversarial networks, GANs. GANs are at the forefront of AI-generated content. They consist of two neural networks, a generator and a discriminator, which work in tandem to create realistic outputs. GANs have been used to generate images, videos, and even deepfakes. Neural style transfer. This technique uses neural networks to apply the artistic style of one image to another. It has been employed in various applications, from transforming photos into the style of famous paintings to enhancing video game graphics. Natural language processing, NLP. NLP plays a crucial role in generating human-like text. Chatbots, automated content creation tools, and AI-driven writing assistants leverage NLP to understand and generate written content. DeepDream, developed by Google, DeepDream is a computer vision algorithm that uses neural networks to find and enhance patterns in images. It has been utilized for creating psychedelic and dreamlike images. AI-based video editing. AI is increasingly being used in video editing, automating tasks like scene segmentation, object recognition, and even generating realistic deepfake videos. AI in art. AI-generated art. Artists and programmers collaborate to create stunning pieces using algorithms. The AI may contribute to the entire piece or work in conjunction with human artists. Examples include works generated by AIs like DALL-E, which creates images from textual descriptions. Interactive art installations. AI has been incorporated into interactive art installations, where it responds dynamically to the audience or environmental stimuli, creating unique and evolving experiences. AI in music. Algorithmic composition. AI algorithms can analyze existing musical pieces and generate new compositions based on learned patterns. This has led to the creation of AI-generated music across various genres. Music recommender systems. AI is integral to platforms like Spotify and Apple Music, providing personalized music recommendations based on user preferences and listening history. AI in literature. Automated writing. AI writing tools are becoming more sophisticated, capable of generating coherent and contextually relevant text. They are used for content creation, copywriting, and even assisting authors in brainstorming. Collaboration with authors. Some authors have embraced AI as a collaborative tool. For instance, OpenAI's GPT-3 has been used to co-write stories and articles, showcasing the potential for synergy between human creativity and machine intelligence. Collaboration between artists and AI algorithms. Enhancing creativity. AI tools serve as a source of inspiration, helping artists explore new ideas, styles, and techniques that they might not have considered otherwise. Human-AI co-creation. Collaborations between artists and AI often involve a back-and-forth process where the artist provides input and the AI responds with generated content. This iterative process can lead to the creation of unique and hybrid artworks. Ethical considerations. The collaboration between artists and AI raises ethical questions about authorship, the role of the machine, and the potential impact on traditional creative industries. Striking a balance between human intention and machine-generated outputs remains a challenge. In conclusion, AI has become a powerful force in the realm of creativity, offering tools that enhance traditional artistic processes and fostering collaboration between artists and algorithms. As technology continues to evolve, the boundary between human and machine creativity will likely become even more blurred.